Hi friends, welcome back to Chess with Chanakya. I am your K. Srinidhi Bharadwaj from KSSB Groups. Here in this video, we are going to continue with the learning of basics of chess. In this video, we are going to learn about how to give check and how to escape from the check, how to do checkmate, pawn promotion and castling. These are the topics we are going to learn in this video. Let's learn one by one. Today's first topic is how to give check and how to escape from the check. Let's learn how to give check. Here in this situation, the black moves its rook to e8 to attack the white king directly. So this situation is called as check. Here for white there are three ways to escape from the check. Either it's move to the safe places like d1 d2 or f1 f2, or it can avoid check through keeping rook to e2 or bishop to e2, or there is last way to escape from the check, that is to capture the checking pawn or an attacking pawn like this. This is about the how to give check and how to escape from the check. The next topic is how to do checkmate. Firstly, checkmate is a situation where the king has no way to escape from the check. That situation is called as checkmate. For example, here in this situation, the black moves its rook to h1 to give or to attack a white king. Here for the white king, there is no way to escape from the check. This situation is called as checkmate. For example, here in this situation, white cannot move for the safe places. There is no safe places for the white king and it cannot avoid the check. This situation, or it cannot capture the attacking piece. This situation is called as checkmate. This is about the check, how to do checkmate. Today's next topic is how to do pawn promotion and what do you mean by pawn promotion. Firstly, pawn promotion is a situation where the minor piece can become a major piece only when it reaches to the edge square or an end square of the chessboard. For example, assume this situation. In this situation, the white pawns, which are h7 pawn and c7 pawn, can promote their pawns like this. If h7 pawn moves to an h8 square, then it can be replaced with an queen or rook or knight or bishop. And black pawns, which are g2 pawn and c2 pawn, can promote their pawns like this. If the c2 pawn moves to an c1 square, then the minor pawn can be exchanged with then major pawns like queen, rooks or knight or an bishop. This is about the pawn promotion. Next topic is castling. The last topic in this video is the castling. The castling is a situation where the two pawns can move at a time on the chessboard, which are the king and rook. There are two types of castling, king side castling and queen side castling. If we want to do king side castling, the king will jump two squares from e1 to g1 and the rook behind the king from h1 to f1. This is about the king side castling. For black, the black king moves e8 to g8 and rook same as white beside the king f8. This is about the king side castling for white and black. If we want to do queen side castling, then the kings will move only two steps or jump two steps from e1 to c1, e8 to c8, and rook will jump to the third square, which is a1 to d1 and a8 to d8. This is about the king side castling and queen side castling. If we want to do castling, there are few rules, which are: first one, it must be an first move for rook and the king, and the second rule is there won't be any pawn in between the king and the rooks. And the third point is the square. If we want to castle for an queen side or an king side, the square won't be attacked with any pawn like this. In this situation, the king or the white side king which cannot do queen side castling, because if we want to do queen side castling, the king must be moved to e1 to c1. Then the c1 square is controlled by an bishop of f4 bishop. So this is about the castling. And then last rule is, if the king is attacked or the king in the check like this. Now in this situation, the black king cannot do castling. This is about the castling. This is all about today's topic. I hope you got some knowledge about the basics of chess. In my upcoming video, we are going to learn about the importance of chess and how to rate the chess game. I hope you all got some knowledge. Okay, please like, share and subscribe our videos. Bye bye.